either side of the state. Either side of
you have a problem, sit amongst the sit in a group, sit across the table.
the state. You are small hit. You pretend that you are being hit very hardly. Just pretend that. That's the pretension that's going on right now in the state of Telangana and also Andhra Pradesh. Neither of them has got the commitment.
What a sad story.
Neither of them has got the dedication.
Yeah, which means that you're looking at a story, Jyotsna ji. So you're saying that what one is looking at is a straightforward scenario where there is a law which is clearly mentioned, but both Jagan Reddy as well as K. Chandrasekhar Rao believe that by taking this position, by seemingly working for the welfare of the farmers and those who are dependent on this water source for irrigation, they believe that they will end up consolidating their position. What could be a solution? Is a solution simply to stand by what is mentioned in section 84?
There's only one simple solution for this, sir. We are all educated. The people who are sitting up there as chief ministers are also educated. There is a simple solution. You have a problem, sit amongst the, sit in a group, sit across the table, discuss, and then come to a conclusion. Just not, pretending that you're coming to a conclusion, pretending that you're trying to, and I'll tell you one straightforward thing that KCR does all the time is only one single thing. He just, ignites that regionalism, the regional feeling, he ignites that. And he's just absolutely what he is doing for the past 6 years. Even after assuming power, whenever he is in requirement, he just ignites that regionalism. He just, throws it on the people so that people just fight amongst themselves. They are sitting up there, aram se, enjoying their benefits as the chief minister of the state. That's it. They're not bothered about the people.
Okay.
That's the sad part. Very sad.
Bachuji, what is this? Bachuji, is this? Yeah, I agree. I'm appalled. You're sad, I'm appalled. I'm appalled and I'm amazed because if the law is clear, as Bachuji was pointing out, if the law is clear that Section 84 of the State Reorganization Act points out what needs to be done, the two states don't even think in terms of submitting a status report as is being mandated, and both sides try and take this position. They are fighting for the cause of the people. Are they really fighting for the cause of the people? That's where the accountability question comes in. So, Bachuji, if I was to take this point forward a little, and if I was to argue that actually what is also going on is that